In an effort to keep students informed about digital transformation, the Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria had organized an online lecture on how emerging technologies are reshaping business environments. The lecture, which was conducted on the 29th of August 2024, was designed to acquaint students of the university with a comprehensive knowledge of emerging technologies and their impact on business environment around the world. The lecture was delivered by Dr. Micheal Baron, who doubles as the adjunct faculty member at MAAUN and CEO Baron Consulting School of Computing and Engineering, Sturt University, Australia. During the presentation, Dr. Baron delved into several key topics including digital transformation and the increasing demand for IT skills, while emphasizing the importance of staying ahead in the rapidly evolving job market. In addition, the speaker explored the crucial roles of artificial intelligence (AI) and blockchain technology in reshaping business practices and enhancing operational efficiency by providing a concise overview of their diverse applications. The event also featured an interactive question and answer sessions where the students enthusiastically participated, posing insightful questions and seeking greater clarity over various aspects of these new technologies. In his closing remarks, the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, expressed sincere gratitude to Dr. Baron for his insightful presentation. He also thanked the staff and students for their active participation in the program. Professor Israr disclosed plans by the university to invite Dr. Baron to deliver an offline lecture in the near future. Those in attendance during the lecture include the Dean of School of Computing, Professor Ibrahim Alhaji Lawan, University's Acting Chief Librarian Malam Zubairu Bellu, and Public Relations Officer Hayatuddin M. Abdullah, among others.